When one door closes, another door opens up for you. If it's not a door, then God will open or universe will open a window for you. Okay? Mapa-sliding door man yan. Sliding window. Yan, no? Anong klaseng bintana man yan? May jealousy man or wala? No? Yan, may bubuksan ditong opportunity dahil may nagsarang opportunity. When one door closes, another door will open here for you guys. Yeah. Okay. At tama lang naman na nagsara ang door, no, na tinutukoy because it caused, you know, traumatic or heartbreak here sa inyo guys. Okay? Na nahirapan kayo, yung iba sa inyo nahirapan kayo to tell yung inyong pinaka nararamdaman or how broken hearted you were nung time na yon, or even to your closest people, friends, family. Hindi mo na open up in full details, no, how hurt you were. And I do pick up that it is involving your heart. Okay? Might be about your romantic situation here na sinarili mo lang with the Eight of Swords energy. Okay? But what we saw is may nagbubukas na another door for you. Wow. Look at that. The Lover's card energy. 6 is the number of soul connection. So yeah, let's see. Something or someone will reveal itself or himself, herself to you. Let us see. Let us see. One more shuffle. There you go. Let's go ahead and check out more informations for my Nakshis, my collective people. Oh, wow. The ship already arrived. Sige nga mga babes, no? Nag-arrive na dito, no, yung barko, yan mga babes, no? So, wala tayo ditong specific na as in barko na literal na nag-arrive, no? But this is somewhat here, pagpapakahulugan ko, na nag-step in na sa buhay mo, no? Ang manifested dream guy or dream woman, dream girl mo. So, wow, no? When we say nag-step in na sa yung world, doesn't have to be na lahat kayo nakilala nyo na siya. For others of you, yes, na-meet nyo na siya. For others naman, no, is nakita ko dito na nakapasok pa lang siya dito sa inyong mundo. Like, preparing, no, both of you na mag-meet together. Yan, no. Pero, ilatag naman na natin lahat mga babes na para makakuha tayo ng iba pang info. So, we have here the Queen of Cups energy. Wow, right at the center or heart of this reading is the Ten of Cups. Wow! Okay, Four of Wands energy. Yeah, I told you guys. This is the person here you're really supposed to meet, and you manifested this person here with this strong magician energy. Yeah, that is you. You called upon this soulmate of yours, and now this person here already stepped in into your world. Wow. Eight of Coins energy. Six of Coins. Two of Cups. Knight of Pentacles, Lovers, and the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. You're gonna see each other eye to eye. Okay? And you're gonna be on the same page with this person here. Wow. So, hi and hello there new subscribers. Ako po si Yan, welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta. At sa mga hindi nyo pa knows mga babes, meron pa po tayong other channel. The link is down below sa ating description box. At wala po tayo ditong gender. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. And of course, this is timeless as well, no? So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, tapos na, no? Or pwede naman nangyari sa kasalukuyan, or pwedeng hindi pa, at isang prediction sa inyong future. So, nakita ko dito that the ship already arrived here, no? At ito ang barko, no? Kung saan, okay, lulan nitong barko na to, no? Ang manifested dream guy or dream girl mo. Wow! So, this person here is someone na nakikita ko rito na magiging clingy sa'yo. Yan, no? Sweet, loving, caring, maalaga siya dito, no? At this person here is someone who will express his or her love and feelings for you. And this person here will make it obvious. Hindi siya dito nahihiya na ipakita how much he or she loves you in front of other people. Not in the sense na magiging PDA siya, but this person here is someone na nakikita ko na magiging proud of you na ikaw yung in relationship niya, na kayong dalawa yung together. Yeah, and this person here, this is great news, guys, because you've waited long enough for this person here, for others of you. You've waited long enough, matagal kayo naghintay with this person. And finally, the ship already arrived. This person here, siya na yung lulan, no, ng barko na ito, no, at nakita ko siyang nag-step in na sa buhay ninyo, at yung iba, preparing to step in into your world, no? Preparing both of you to meet each other, no? So you manifested this person here. What does that mean, Miss Yan? When you say you manifested this person here, this is you. You do all the works right here, okay? Meaning to say, meron ka ditong checklist. Ano ba yung gusto mo sa isang person na makakasama mo habang buhay, behavior, personalities, mga katangian, and even physical appearance or attributes, no? Kung meron ka rin, no, and boom! Eh? Like, voila! Ito na, yung person na na-manifest mo feels like magic right here, no? Yan. And with this destiny involved here with the temperance, okay? This is the person here you're really supposed to meet. Not just meet, but this is the person here na makakasama mo for the rest of your life. So with the Page of Swords energy to the Four of Swords right here, okay? Slowly, okay? Habang lumilipas yung mga araw, no, you will see ng malinaw, mas malinaw, pinakamalinaw, no, yung mga signs and clues that this is the person you manifested, the love of your life you manifested dito, no, and you will share this Ten of Cups energy. My Ten of Cups energy is my fairy tale love story. Why? Because fairy tale love story, the story feels so good to be true. Yan, no? At nakita ko dito, no, that this, from the looks of it, everything feels so easy. No? Ano ibig sabihin nun, Miss Yan? Ibig sabihin, easy, pagkatapos din kami agad niyan, magluloko ba yan? Baka mamaya bigla yan mang-ghost, blah, blah, blah. Hindi. Ibig ko sabihin dun sa everything feels so easy. It's like you drive, nagkakasundo kayo rito, wala dito na parang mga rocky road moments na hindi ninyo nalalampasan together, no? Parang feels like na ang dali-dali lahat with this person here. Like you do not need to exert more effort, no? Para lang ma-reciprocate niya yung attention, love, and passion mo for him or her, no? Kasi I think before, no, this is you feel really sorry, no? For those guys or for those women na naging past lovers mo, no? Because posibleng pahirapan. Pahirapan yung pakikipag-communicate mo sa kanila, no? Regardless kung parehas kayo ng language or not, 'di ba? Yung iba parehas pa kayo ng ethnicity, race, background, and culture pero hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan, like pahirapan yung naging mga connection, no, mo with your past lovers, no. But for this person here, because siya yung lumalabas na manifested guy, dream girl mo, everything feels so easy. No? Walang problema na malaki, no. Lahat ng problema rito, mapa maliit man yan, mapa medium size, mapa large size, extra large, XXL, you know. Lahat yan, everything na lalampasan, nasosolusyonan ninyo together, no? Hindi ko kayo rito na nakikita na hindi nagkakasundo, no, you always came up and you will always come up with a decision na magiging favorable sa isa't isa. Okay? Parehas kayo rito na meron ditong teamwork, yan, no? Partnership when it comes to this connection right here, no? Parang sabihin na natin ganito, no? Example, gusto mo ng strawberry flavor na ice cream and this person here, gusto niya ng mint choco ice cream. At ayaw niya ng strawberry, pero favorite mo yon. At ikaw naman, ayaw mo ng mint choco na ice cream flavor, no? Gusto mo is strawberry lang, no? So, dun pa lang, anong papansin mo? Contrasting na agad. Hindi kayo parehas ng flavor ng ice cream na gusto. Plus, yun pa yung least favorite ninyo, yung favorite ng isa't isa. Okay? Anong tingin niyo do'n? Problem na ba 'yun agad? Kung titingnan mo, yes, 'di ba? Pero dito sa samahan ninyo, mga bibs, 'no, masosolusyonan lahat 'yan, 'no. So dito kayo, hindi kayo mag-aaway, hindi niyo ipipilit na, "Hindi, strawberry flavor ice cream lang. Hindi, mint chocolate flavor ice cream lang." 'no. Dito, mga babes, 'no, gagawa at gagawa kayo ng paraan, "Ay, huwag na nga lang tayo mag-ice cream, mag-Slurpee na lang tayo sa 7-Eleven." Mag-coffee float na nga lang tayo, ayan 'no. So, instead of arguing, no, instead of magkaroon ng quarrel dito, no, or disagreement, you both come up with a solution right here, no, na magiging favorable for the both of you. Why? Because in this connection, what have I told you guys earlier? Everything feels so easy. Because mas pinipili ninyo magkasundo kaysa mag-away at magkagulo dito, 'di ba? And that is one major key na kailangan sa isang relationship. At yun yung nakikita kong maipapamalas ninyong dalawa sa isa't isa. Both of you will definitely work with each other. Knight of Pentacles energy, Lover's card, Ace of Coins. Okay? And I do see na may establish itong ganitong klase ng connection because wala ritong sasalungot sa isa. Not necessarily na ito-tolerate ninyo yung gusto ng isa't isa, but you will hear each other's side of the story. Kapag may misunderstanding, pakikinggan mo siya. Okay? And from there, you will assess and evaluate ano ba yung dapat natin gawin dito sa situation na to, no? So, nakakita ko ng magandang teamwork. So, this relationship will really goes a long way and I'm seeing na this is you, darating kayo sa punto that you will get married. Yan, no? Kasi nakukuha ko rito sa Four of Wands energy na to, no? It's like this is you. If hindi ikaw, then hindi na lang. Yan. Kung hindi ikaw yung pakakasalan ko, then wag na lang. Yan o, may ganon. And that is coming from your side and also with this person's side. But more likely, you will definitely hear it from that person that you've manifested, your dream guy or your dream woman, lady, right here. See? So, nakita ko dito that this is something here na hindi mo naranasan with your past lovers, 'no? Kasi parang naging pahirapan, 'no? Tapos parang lagi kayo nag-aaway ng iyong mga naging ka-connect before, 'no? Ang daming mga nagmamatigas, 'no? Tapos matigas yung ulo, very stubborn, 'no? Hindi nakikinig sa opinion ninyo, 'no? Laging pagalit agad, 'no? Maikli yung pasensya, 'no? So, hindi talaga kayo nagkasundo, 'no? Kahit sino man yung mga naka-relationship mo in the past, 'no? And why is that so? Because those people are not meant to stay in your life, no? They are just guest, no? Sila ay mga ah, bisita na buwisita lang, na naging buwisita, no? Lang sa inyong life dito, no? But they left you with a lot of lessons right here, 'di ba? Because you've learned from them not to deal with those kind of people anymore, no? And now you're entertaining this beautiful soul entering or already stepped into your life, into your world right here, preparing to meet his or her future spouse, and that is definitely you. Yeah, me, none other than you. Others of you could be meeting this person here related to your money. Coins might be your career, work, job, or even your business. Okay, but doesn't have to be. But this person here is already traveling his or her way papunta sa inyong direction, sa inyong pathway. And this person here, for some reason, I think owning siya ng pet. Pwedeng siya ay may alagang hayop, pwedeng dog, cat, no, rabbit, hamster, otter, or whatever, kahit ano pa yan, fish, no, basta meron siya ditong alagang hayop, no, and that is one of the sign and symbol that this person here is someone who is a very sweet and loving individual, no? Maalaga siya dito and this person here will show you, okay, that he or she cares for you. Yung maambunan ka lang, no? At alam mo yun, no? Ilalagay niya yung kanyang palad sa yung noo, no? Checking if nilignat ka ba, may sinat ka, whatever, no? This person here will more likely protect you from anything, from anyone, you know? If puwede nga lang 'no, puwede ka rin yung protektahan rito 'no, in having a bad day or in having a bad situation. This person here will make you happy whenever you feel sad 'no, and this person here will, alam mo yung hindi naman nakakatawa yung mga jokes niya or hindi siya magaling magpatawa 'no, parang wala rin sa hulog yung mga jokes niya pero this person here will do everything, no? Like even the weirdest or awkward na mga joke pickup lines, no? Na tingin ko bentang-benta naman sa'yo. Why is that so? Because that is your person. Lahat ng sasabihin niya nakakatawa for you. No? Why? Because you love this person. And you will love this person here kapag ka dumating na siya sa buhay ng iba sa inyo, no? I do see that this person here is coming from a faraway land. Yan, no? Sounds like a prince or knight in shining armor, a princess or a queen, isn't it, no? Why is that so? Because I told you that the Ten of Cups is present right here. This is my fairy tale love story. Plus, kinonfirm pa nga no, right beside niya ang Four of Wands energy. So this is definitely that type of union you really do not expect to happen in your life. But this is unfolding right here and you will have this sense of comfortness, like everything right here. Hindi mo kailangan na mag-effort pa more. You feel so satisfied, like wala ka nang hihilingin pa, especially when it comes to your life in general. No, love life mo to, pero nabago lahat nang dumating siya na bago lahat ng area ng iyong life. Why? Because this person here brings a lot of healing connection sa buhay mo, no? This person here will share a lot of positive energy to you. And that positive energy, will be illuminated and reflected here in all areas of your life. In your work, mas magiging confident ka to do more, will strive more to achieve your dreams, will be looking for a lot of target plans, a lot of target goals right here, and when it comes to your personal life, in your family, I do see that you will show more love with your family, will provide them more, like, alam mo yung parang mas magandang version ka ng self mo 'pag dumating na siya or nung dumating siya sa buhay mo. And both of you will accept this beautiful love connection right here. And why not? You both are meant with each other. Ace of Pentacles energy, Lovers, Knight of Coins energy. This person here is meant to stay in your life for good. And I do see that you will hold on to this type of connection right here. And this person will not also let go of your hand no matter what happened. Everything feels so easy. Everything feels like magic right here. And you do not expect this to happen sa'yo because you've been through a lot, especially those sa mga failed romantic relationships na pinagdaanan mo sa iyong nakaraan. But I do see that this person here is somewhat na-manifest mo. Okay? And you will realize na lahat ng katangian na meron siya, lahat ng mga tinataglay niya, ayon lahat yung hiniling mo, hiningi mo sa may kapal. No? Iba-iba man ang ating relihiyon, ni isa lamang ang ating Diyos, no? At kung ano man ang iyong ipinalalangin, lalo na sa iyong area, no, ng pag-ibig, no, or love area, then eto yon, no? Siya yung malinaw at buhay na proof or evidence na totoo na meron talagang soulmate na laan para sa bawat isa sa inyo. Wow! So yeah, I'm seeing letters right here. So might be initials nila ito, no, but doesn't have to be K or initials niya. I'm seeing letters T, letter O, letter E, letter D, letter S, and letter K. So yeah, those are all the letters or initials right here. Might be yours, might be special letters to them, or might be somewhat naka-engraved no in one of their accessories. Might be bracelet, necklace, or even rings. Yeah, this is the person here na nakikita ko na pakakasalan mo and you will live happily ever after with this person. Ten of Cups energy, Four of Wands energy. Wow, congratulations because your knight in shining armor, your princess, your queen, your king had already arrived in your area. Wow, so enjoy this beautiful love and romantic moments here with this person starting now up until eternity. So, thank you so much. Muli ako po siyan. If you're interested to make a tambay rin with me other channel, link is down below the description box. Okay? Sarang iyo. Have a nice day, everyone. Annyeong.